Hi guys, how are you? Hope all are fine. Welcome back. Those who are new, this is Pavan, our self and makeup artist from the classical dancer from India, and today I'm going to do with another glam look using my another Tarte Toasted Palette. So this is wonderful palette. You can see all the beautiful shades. So I'm using only this palette today in order to finish the look. So as I do in the previous videos also, I'm just going to do my eyebrows off the camera. For eyebrows, I'm going to use Anasthasia Beverly Hills in the shade Granite. So don't forget guys, if you want to know how I do my eyebrows and how to do a simple eyebrows day-to-day look, and do let me know in the comment section below. And those who are new, please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned while I'll catch you back with my eyebrows. Guys, I'm back with my snatched eyebrows. So these are the eyebrows which I have done. So as eye base, I'm going to use my MAC pink, which is a soft ochre eye base. I'm just going to sweep this product on my eyelids for a smooth surface. Sorry, I'm confused. Okay, I'll go with this eye. So I'm just going to sweep all this product on this eyelid in order to get a smooth base. So I forgot to show the shades here. So these are the shades which I have in this amazing palette. So I'm going to use this Tarte Toasted Palette. Taking a fluffy brush, so this is the fluffy brush I have. Taking such type of a fluffy brush, and I'm directly dipping into this fight side shade called fight side. So this is a dark brown shade. So I'm just dipping into this product, and I'm just placing around my eyeball. Like in the last look, I'm not going for the V look. I'm just going for the diffused look. So I'm just setting down this product on my eyelid. Yes, you know, this palette smells like a chocolate, you know. I love the smell. So I'm just placing the product in this way. So once I place the product, so I'm trying to take a fluffy brush, blending brush from the Tarte. So I'm going to dip into the shade Cozy. So it's a brown shade. So I'm just dipping into this shade. I'm just taking off the excess, and I'm just trying to diffuse this eyeshadow which we placed, the brown one. So just take a product and just try to use that same brush and the same product to diffuse all the complete brown which you have placed earlier, so that we can have the complete diffused look. Make sure there is no harsh lines. So keep on blending on this in the circular motions or in the slide motions as wipers in the car. So just try to blend all the harsh lines which are there. So try to blend if it is required. Only if it is required, just dip into this Cozy again, and I'm just taping off the excess, and I'm just trying to buff out this harsh lines and blending into this crease. So once, make sure that all the lines are blended and there are no harsh lines. Guys, do let me know what type of videos you want. I'm just asking each and every video, so that as a new person in the YouTube, for you guys, what you guys required, just do let me know. If you want, how to do this drag brows, how to hide your eyebrows, and how to do eyebrows and all. Just let me know, because I do drag. It's not a drag makeup, but I know how to hide eyebrows, because in the dance, because my eyebrows are flat, I hide my eyebrows, and I used to draw a new eyebrow, which is a twin sister eyebrows. So you do let me know in the comment section below, so that I can do for you guys. I'm planning to do videos like a single product in a single brand for a whole face, or different brands for different things. So I use different brands for my eye, different brand for eyelid, eyebrow, face, concealer, powder, shadows, everything. So just do let me know, so that we can have a fun. So I'm just dipping into the warmth again. I'm just buffing out the edges. So our lines are completely blended. So now what I'm doing to is I'm just taking the again fire side again. I'm just trying to making the brown little bit darker, intense, so that we can have that crease shape. So whoever having these hooded eyes, they can go for a what you call cut creases, not easily cut creases, because those cut creases will help will portray our eyes as broad eyes and big eyelids. So generally I prefer cut creases. So I'm just placing this cozy in the inner corner side and the outer corner, so that in the between we'll have a cut crease and we'll have a highlighter shades of candle and sunset. So this sunset and this is the candle. So these two shades we are going to have in the middle of the eye. So I'm just dipping into cashmere, so which is a light transition shade. This is a cashmere. I'm just trying to diffuse this again. So basically there will not be any shade here, so it's basically only on the eyelid. So based upon today we are not going for this V look, we are just going into this eyeball shape itself. So once it is seamlessly done, take a concealer and a small fluffy brush. This is my Kryolan small fluffy brush in the Art 9910. This is a very small smudge brush. This is really useful. I'm just trying to find out my concealer. Yes, I have found out my concealer. So this is my Makeup Revolution concealer under shade C3. So I'm just going to take this on my back of my hand. So I'm just grabbing the product on my brush. Take the brush and guys, do let me know in the comment section below whoever like me can't speak while during my cut crease. So I can't talk during my cut crease and while applying lipstick, so I can't talk. So do let me know whoever else in my section will come to know. I mostly can't talk when I'm doing a cut crease. I don't know whether if I talk, my cut crease may ruin. So I don't want to speak. I don't want to talk. So I'm just going up to the socket. I'm just placing the product. And again a tip, don't apply too much product, so less is better. So go with the less product of the concealer. If you keep more product, what it becomes is it becomes so tacky and you can't place the product. So your eyeshadow which you are placing will not be sticking into this concealer. Remember, less is better, so go for less. And then see, you have product, you have space, you have time, you can blend it up, you can build it up if you want more product. So I'm just taking a flat brush. I'm taking a flat brush. You're taking this flat brush, I'm just dipping into this shade Sunset, which is a nice metallic shimmery shade. I'm just placing both the sides of my cut crease. See, in both the sides, I'm just taking the Sunset. I'm just placing the Sunset on both the sides. And with the same brush, I'm just cleaning the brush. And with the same brush, just dip into Candle. The shade here, which is a champagne color. Just place it in the center. Be sure, go up to the crease. Place it in the center. Initially you may see 3 lines, so here the brown, here the Sunset, and here this what you call Candle. So don't worry, just blend it out. So just take off the excess and just try to sweep out and in, so that both the shades will get blended very easily and you will not have any lines. So it's done. So this is way it's done. So next, taking a fluffy brush in order to remove the excess product, I'm just dripping into this fireside again. I'm just removing the excess and removing the excess product which is on the eyelid in the top. So I'm just removing the excess so that it will be placed. So if you feel it is a little bit darker, don't worry, go to Cashmere and Sunrise, excess, remove the excess. Try to blend it out. So blending is really important, guys, so just try to blend it out. And if you require a little bit depth, again you can go into the same fluffy brush. So I'm trying to make it out 3 to 4 brushes so that you guys can do it very easily, because all people will not have a lot of brushes. So I'm just going into this far side again. I'm just making sure on the corners and the sides, I'm just placing the product again so that my eyeball will be in depth of that one. So once it is done, I'm just applying lashes and mascara, and I'll catch you back after once I get the mascara and the lashes. So and the same time I'll complete my this eye, and I'll come back to you guys and catch you back with my face. I'll do our face and our lips in this next part, so stay tuned. Second eye and the mascara and lashes. So for face, we're going to do start with face. I'm going to use my primer, PAC Pore Primer, which is a really good primer, silicone based, which hides our primes. I'm just taking bit product, I'm just placing it on my pores and my other parts of my face, and just forehead. So see, if you have pores, if you want to hide the pores, don't wipe the, just tap the product into your pores, into your face skin. Don't rub the primer, don't swipe out the primer, just tap it. It's just so that the primer goes and settles on your in your pores, and it will have a soft, it gives a soft finish for your textured skin. So I'm just, as there is no pores on my forehead, I'm just swiping the product on to my skin all over my face. So I already prepped my lips using my Tarte exfoliate and lip balm. So I'm just trying to place the product. Primer is done, so I'm just closing this primer, and I'm just going to, today I'm going for a heavy coverage of for this stick foundation. This is from company called Mod. This my sister brought from Australia. So I'm just swiping the product on my face. Today I'm not going to go for under eye corrector. I'm just trying to use the stick foundation, because generally stick foundations will be heavy. So I'm not going any other coverage of color corrector. I'm just sweeping of the product all over my face, and I would be taking my Real Technique Beauty Blender sponge, and don't forget your neck. Just placing the dots so that while blending it will be blended. So just taking out. So this is a damp Real Technique sponge. So I'm just making sure the product is blended seamlessly into the skin. See, as I am sitting in the sun shade without any lights, so you are seeing the colors is a little bit mismatch in this way, but don't worry, this color is not that much mismatch. So once it is blended and once it is set, because for my skin the foundations will get little bit oxidized and will say after some time it will get settled. So initially it will be in some different color, so don't worry, for my skin it will get oxidized and the product will settle down. Once it is settled down, once it is powdered, and once it is baked and everything, then once it I apply compact and everything, so the foundation will be set down and the shade will, I get my original skin. So I'm just trying to blend this out wherever I have applied. So on the neck. So don't forget your ears. If your ears are exposed, my LA Girl Pro Concealer under the shade, let me check it out, Classic Ivory. So this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just taking this product. It's going to finish, see how hard it is. It is going to finish also. So such a really good, amazing product LA Girl concealers are, which is really, price wise it is really very, very, very good, because it is not that expensive and it is available in India. So you can buy this concealers without any doubt, any question. This is a really light formula, so you can work it on this product. So I'm just placing on my nose also, where I'm supposed to highlight it again. Because I really have a dark under eyes. I work on, I'm a working person. I'm not completely into makeup, so I have this, because I use a lot of system. So because of that system and the usage of the radiations and the screen, I will get this under eyes into the black. So I really require this concealer I'm just trying to see. It is very easy to blend out. This illegal concealer is really very buildable and very easy blendable thing also. I'm just see, it's done. The highlight is done and it is done. I'm just trying to bake it out. I will just be finishing my baking and my contouring and blush, and I'll catch you back once it is done, guys. I'll catch you back at my lips. Done with my face. For my contouring and blush, I'm using this Maybeline Pro Contour Masterclass. So this is a master contour which contains contour, blush and highlight. So I'm just going to use these products for my blush and my contour. So I'm going to contour my face. Guys, I'm done with my blush and my contouring. So for my highlight today, I'm going to use a liquid highlighter from PAC Cosmetics. This is really very good highlighter, which is Indian brand highlighter, guys. So I really suggest this highlighter. I'm just taking this little bit product, and this is in the peachy pink shade. So I'm just removing the excess. I'm just placing 3 dots here where I want to blend it out, where I want to give the highlight. So 3 dots. For me, blending with fingers doesn't work, so I take my beauty blender and I just try to blend it out, the highlighter. So it is easy in that way to blend it out with a beauty sponge, because if it is excess present on this face, it will be extracted by this sponge, and you will have a really very required product into this. See, for me, if I blend with my fingers, it gives some patchy work. So you can see how it is blended out with this beauty sponge. So the highlighter is also done. Now I am going to do a shape for my lips. For my lips, again, today I'm going for a nude. So for my lips today, I'm going to use my Kryolan lip box. So this is a type of a box, and I'm going to use this peachy pink. This is my all-time favorite shade, which is in the center of this palette. So this is a peachy pink. I'll be finishing with my lipstick and with my baking, which is done to be settled down. So once it's done, so I'm just going to grab my PAC powder brush under 261. So this is PAC 261 brush. I'm just removing the powder which I done for the baking. So if you want to know how the baking, why it is done, let me know in the comment section below. So whatever you want to know, whatever you want to share with me, whatever you want to share with love or thoughts, everything, just do share in the comment section below. I'll reply back and I'll give in the next video. So who missed the last second video, I'll be linking in the description box. Go click the video and see the In Bloom palette of cosmetics which I done with using that palette, which is really again a glam look, which is really very easy glam look. So finally, for the finale touch, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus Gold. So I'm a gold guy, so I'm going to use this gold. I'm just shaking well because it have a really very good gold. So I'm just spraying it on my face, which gives really sheen glow to my face, and which will give a hydrates to my face. So you can see uploading my dance video also. Just do let me know in the comment sections below of my dance video also how it is my dance video and how my dance is there, any improvements you required. Sorry, I required to do. So okay, so this is done, and my this Fix Plus is got dried up and it is settled into my face. So this is my final look. So hope all you enjoyed the video, and do let me know your comments in the comment section below. And guys, catch you back in the next video. And let's sorry to forget to say, really wish you very happy new year. Everyone should have a prosperous and brightful careers in 2019. So wish you all the very best, and don't forget to share, give a thumbs up, give your shares and reviews in the comment section below. And those who are new, please do subscribe to my channel. So this subscribe button in the just down below my video. Just do share your reviews and comments, and your thumbs up really matters for me, and those you like it, and thanks very much. And this is Pawan signing off for this video, and for my next video, catch you back, guys. So hope you all enjoyed this look. So this is the very simple look which I have done using this amazing Tarte palette. So guys, wish you all the very best in the new year, and hope you will be doing very well in all your personal careers and your personal life. So guys, this is Pawan signing off for today. Bye bye.